What's up, guys, and welcome back to another one. My name is Will, and today I'm going over the Bitcoin price chart. Let's get into it. But first of all, I want to say that there's been a lot of people scared, a lot of people worried. Is this bull run over? And I'm feeling fine. I'm feeling okay. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm not too concerned. 2025 is supposed to be one of the most bullish years for Bitcoin. The post halving year is usually has the best gains for the alts. So I'm not too worried. People are seeing a little bit of a dump in the last couple of days for Bitcoin from going to from 108 to 94 right now. It even dumped to like 92. But let's look at these charts, right? So we had this big move up to like 108, 107 $1,000, 100, that's pretty crazy, 107K. And then it kind of had a little pullback, so, right? This little bull flag started forming here. Like it's rounded. I can see how some people are kind of worried, especially if you bought at the top. If you bought here, you're a little bit concerned. But if you bought sometime last year, let's say you bought in the summer of last year, you should be okay, right? Now, why I'm not too worried is because January, this typically happens. I remember this in January of 2024. Bitcoin started off hot. December, it had the whole fall season, it was running high. And then it reached $48,000. And then it dropped down to 39,000. And people were saying the bull run is over. Can you imagine? Back then, people were saying the bull run is over. Translated cycle. They were coming up with terms like I was like, what? It's just, I mean, it's a correction. It's a pullback. And what keeps me like not too worried is number one. Like I said, I know it's the post halving year. It has good returns for Bitcoin. We're still in the uptrend. As you can see, this 21 moving average is still green, still in the uptrend. And even if it were to break it a little bit here, I still wouldn't be too worried. And another thing right here, and I like to follow the 4-day chart. People like to follow different timelines to different time frames. I like the 4-day chart because it's not the daily chart. It's not like too zoomed in, and it's not the weekly chart. So I don't have to wait till the end of the week to see what's going on. So for me, the 4-day is good. And the stochastic, as you can see at the bottom, it was like really high here for a good amount of time. So I felt like it needed like this cool down period. I felt like it went up too high to 107. It really charged up, and then it overextended. So it needed to kind of revert back down to like a normal level, find a new base, create a new box, create a new range. And now, as you can see in the 4-day, we are close to the bottom on the stochastic RSI, and we just need to see a move up, a cross up of these two lines, the blue and the red line moving up, and that could start a new wave up, a new trend up. And I believe that might be coming. I mean, right now it's almost the middle of January, towards the later part of January. It's maybe January 20th, something like that. I'm saying after maybe the inauguration, we might be seeing another wave of going up because these price actions, whether it's crypto or whether it's stocks, it doesn't go straight up. It's waves, okay? So a wave is not going to last forever, and a dip in a bull run is not going to last forever for sure. So if anything, this might be an opportunity to dollar cost average. I like the dollar cost average on the dips, and this might be a good opportunity. So I'm not too concerned. I feel like once we get out of this range, and if we hold this uptrend, let's look at the 2-week. Right, the 2-week is not. I'll be honest though, 2-week is not looking great because we have this cross down on the stochastic on the 2-week. But I feel like we could still recover here like we did in 2020, where we had this cross down and then it crossed back up because it's still the bull run, right? So that's a possibility that could still happen, or we could come down here to the 50 and then bounce right back up. So even though right now on the 2-week it's not looking too hot, I'll be honest, but there's still, it's a game of probabilities. I feel like since this is the post-halving year, there's a large probability we might start heading back up. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Leave us comments. And if you want me to cover any other charts, let me know. See you guys in the next one. Peace out. Yeah, peace out, guys.